Hello and good afternoon. Today I'm here in the Magic Kingdom to go to Tiana's Bayou adventure. We're going to be riding it at night and I'm going to give you the point of view that I'm experiencing while I'm on the ride.
Excuse me, madam.
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here and really hard cooking. Tiana was cute, y'all.
They're the keys to me. I would love for y'all to play at my party tonight. They sure can play, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
Talent's everywhere if you dig down deep enough. flash at this party.
Alright, after waiting about 2 hours because the ride went down, they decided to give us ice cream while we were waiting in line, which was incredible. It definitely helped because it was getting a little toasty, and we got here about 5 o'clock. Lindsay was gonna ride it with me, but she opted not to just because of how long it took just to get on the ride. But it was really worth it. There were so many new animatronics, and just the ride itself, it's a classic. But thank you so much for joining me today on this great adventure. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because we're doing other fun activities just like this, small towns, Magic Kingdom, Disney World, Disneyland, and a whole bunch more. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you hit that notification button to get notified every time I come out with a future video. Otherwise, I will see you down the road.